Hey, this is George and welcome back to George Basics Crypto and Finance. In this video tutorial, I will teach you how to fix sponsor blocked this merchant on Cash App error. So what this error means? The message sponsor blocked this merchant means your linked bank, debit card or credit card provider has declined the payment, not Cash App. This is common with prepaid cards, bank fraud protection, blocked merchant categories, and international restrictions. And now this is step-by-step instruction how to fix this problem. First of all, you need to identify the blocked card or bank. Open the Cash App, tap the bank icon which is in the bottom left corner, look under linked accounts, note which card bank you are using during the failed transaction. Now let's move on the second step. You need to try different payment method. If the transaction was blocked using debit card or credit card, trying to switch to a different debit card or use Cash App balance or use linked bank account via routing or account number. You can also go to the linked banks and add a bank or card to switch. The next step is contact your bank or card issuer, call the customer service number on the back of your card, ask if they are blocking Cash App or that specific merchant, request them to whitelist or approve the transaction. They might have flagged it as a suspicious or outside policy. After approval, try the transaction again. You can also remove and relink the card. So this is optional reset. You can go to your Cash App, go to linked accounts, tap the card or bank account you want to remove, and then click remove card. Now you need to re-enter your card details into your Cash App and you can try another transaction. You can also contact to Cash App support. If this issue continues, you can go to Cash App, click the profile in the top right, scroll all the way down until you will see support, then choose account settings, linked account or payments, and explain the issue to the support. They will assist you and help you. And also there are some tips. You need to avoid using prepaid cards or international cards. They are often blocked. Make sure your name matches on your Cash App and bank account. Check your bank's daily limits or merchant restrictions. Try the transaction again after a few hours. Temporary blocks can auto-resolve. So that's all I want to show you. If this video was helpful for you, don't forget to click the like buttons and don't forget to subscribe.